Hello, my name is Kia Ard, and the title of my study is The Impacts of COVID-19 on Overall Health. COVID-19 has been a significant social problem in the United States. Globally, as of February 4th, 2022, there have been over 300 million confirmed cases of COVID-19, including over 5 million deaths. Research suggests that COVID-19 has had a negative impact on overall health in a variety of populations. In particular, the literature indicates that COVID has negatively impacted the following aspects of people's lives: physical health, mental health, and social well-being. During the pandemic, about 4 in 10 adults in the U.S. have reported symptoms of anxiety or depression, up from 1 in 10 adults who reported these symptoms from January to June 2019. A 2021 study conducted by the American Psychological Association reports that 42% of adults have reported undesired weight gain, with an average gain of 29 pounds since the start of the pandemic, and 1 in 10 have reported a gain of more than 50 pounds. Despite the prevalence and severity of this problem, very little is known about the impacts among the general public's overall health. Based on this gap in literature, my research question is: how has COVID-19 impacted the overall health of the general public? With this cross-sectional study, there were 311 responses from the general public which were surveyed. Data was collected by means of self-administered 6-question survey which was distributed through social media. Descriptive statistics were used to determine the impact COVID had on overall health. The findings from these analyses are depicted in the bar chart. As you can see, among the 311 surveyed, there were both positive and negative factors that impacted the general public during the COVID-19 pandemic. The following were reported as positive factors. 65% reached out for support when they felt they needed to. 57% took the time to be physically active and eat healthier foods. And 63% feel safer since the release of the vaccine. The following were reported as negative factors. 35% put off other medical issues, 72% felt socially isolated from friends and family, and 54% felt more overwhelmed with daily responsibilities. The findings from the study highlighted both positive and negative factors that impacted the general public during the COVID pandemic. The negative factors being that the majority of participants reported feeling socially isolated from friends and family, and being more overwhelmed with daily responsibilities. The positive factors were that the majority of participants reported reaching out for support when they felt that they needed to, feeling safer since the vaccine for COVID was released, that they didn't put off other medical issues because of COVID, and being more physically active and eating healthier food since the onset of the pandemic. In conclusion, the research has shown a trend across the board that COVID has had a negative impact on social and emotional well-being, but has not impacted physical health as expected. These findings have several implications for practice policy and research. From a practice perspective, we should provide additional training for helping professionals on negative impacts of COVID in order to be better able to assess client needs. In terms of policy implications, we should fund and implement effective ways to deliver mental and physical health care via telehealth or in person. And finally, for research, we should continue to research the impacts of COVID to better serve and come up with new policies to assist the public. The study has highlighted that COVID has had an impact on the general public's overall health, and these impacts will continue to be seen globally. Further research and policy change should continue to be discussed. I want to thank you for listening to my practice, and I welcome any questions or comments that you may have.